Welcome, dear students. My name is Isabel Cárdenas, and I'm your teacher of English. The activity for the week is the following. Welcome to English class. The objective is to recognize vocabulary for greetings and farewells developing reading comprehension. Week May 11th to 15th. Vocabulary. Greetings, hellos, and goodbyes. Number 1. Look at the pictures. Read and listen. Number 1. Phil, hi. Jen, hello. Mary, hi. 2. Teacher, good morning. Classmates, good morning. 3. Wendy, good afternoon. Mrs. Miller, good afternoon. 4. Hostess, good evening. Mr. Bates, good evening. 5. Dad, goodbye. Kids, goodbye. 6. Mom, good night. Paula, good night. Number 2. Repeat. Number 3. Circle the correct greeting. Here you have to choose the correct greeting according to the clock. Number 4. Write the correct greeting. Okay, here you have to write the correct greeting. Topic snapshot. 1. Read and listen to the conversation. Sam, good morning. I'm Sam. Lucy, hello, I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you, Lucy. Nice to meet you too, Sam. Teacher, good morning. I'm Mrs. Lane. Welcome to English class. Sam and Lucy, good morning, Mrs. Lane. 2. Choose the correct greeting. The example says, I'm Claire. The right answer is letter A. Nice to meet you, Claire. You have to choose the correct greeting. Number 2, number 3, and number 4. And that's all. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to stay at home and wash your hands. See you next time. Bye bye.